my kitties! They are not happy. Okay. Hello! Today's video is a very random one, but I wanted to make a video because you're going to see a second cat in my videos in the future, so I thought I would make a quick video about it, but she doesn't want to be held right now. So for those who don't know, we already had one cat, a boy cat named Oliver, and he's about a year old now, and now he also has a friend. It's a lady kitty, and her name is Hermanni. And originally I wanted to name Oliver Boromir, and then when we thought about taking a second cat, we wanted a second orange boy cat, but we couldn't find one. But an awesome name would have been Faramir, and now that we have a girl cat, I could have named her Eowyn, and that would have worked. But Oliver is not Boromir, and we don't call our cats by their names. Oliver used to be Kitty, and now they're the big kitty and the small kitty, so they don't know their names anyway. And it's okay that Oliver is a boy cat because he is fixed, and we're going to get her fixed as well as soon as she is big enough, and they do not want to be held right now. Okay. And we got this cat from my partner's little brother. Their cat had babies, so we took one. And we knew Oliver is very friendly, so we knew there was no problem there, but we didn't know with the small kitty. And at first, when we brought her home, we put her down on the floor in the carrier, and it was a bit confusing for both cats, and they hissed a bit, but it was mostly out of confusion. And after a while we put one cat in our kitchen, because our kitchen has a glass door, so that they could see each other without feeling threatened. And it went well, and after about 3 hours they were standing like nose to nose and just looking at each other in the same room, and things went very well. The first 2 nights we kept them separate just in case, because we won't wake up, and both rooms had food, water and a toilet. But after, it seems it's going so obviously well that we don't need to keep them in different rooms anymore. case, we kept an eye on them for about a week because with animals you never know. But they have been very friendly. They're already sleeping right next to each other, on top of each other. They play together, they don't mind sharing food or toilets, which is always nice. And things are going very well overall. But I just wanted to make a quick video kind of announcement that we have 2 cats, and I didn't have time to film anything like proper Lolita related because I was so busy looking after the cats so that for some reason they don't fight or anything. Plus work has been real busy. We've had summer vacations while school is starting and bookstore, so we have plenty of work to do, and people were sick. So I have worked very full weeks and I have a couple very full weeks ahead of me, but then I have a week of summer vacation about a month from now, so I'm waiting for that. But next week will be a proper video and I have at least 12 videos planned. I have tutorials that I have all the materials for, and the parents, I just need the time to make them. But anyway, that was about cats, and cats are always cute, and now we have 2. Anyway, I will see you again next week with a proper video, and I apologize for the lack of content in my channel. The cats are on the table now, don't eat anything. Okay, yeah, so I will see you again next Wednesday. Bye!